My name is Sahar and I'm the head pastry chef at Burj Al Arab. So where it all started is at home. My mom loves to cook. When I was younger, I used to pull up like a chair next to her to watch over her shoulder. She'd let me stir the pot. I still love to watch her cook because as a pastry chef, I have to scale everything. And the fact that she doesn't scale anything still amazes me. That dish, the rangina, it's actually my favorite recipe that my mom makes. So you use a rotab date, and that's the sweetest date you can find. This recipe always has a little bit of rose water, flour, a little bit of sugar, cardamom, cinnamon. You caramelize the sugar and then you toast the flour all together and it turns into this really dark brown mixture that you put on top. Not everyone gets it right, and my mom just makes the perfect one. My dad's really into coffee. He's really adventurous and trying new dishes and trying new ingredients. He loves to create things. So whenever we travel, we bring him back coffee from wherever we are. And that's kind of how it started, and it influenced all of my brothers and myself. We're always looking for new flavors to try. And on top of that, I think because Dubai is so multicultural, there's so many different people bringing their culture here. So it was very easy for us to explore new dishes all the time. Who is your favorite?
What about me?
Co-op is essential because they're actually one of the best at sourcing local ingredients. And as soon as you walked in, the bakery was right there, smelled amazing. They make fresh bread, they make their own cheese. They still make everything from scratch. So they're very special to me because they kind of fit that philosophy that I love for sustainability and using homegrown products. They had a huge cake display. Not a lot of places had that, but for some reason, the Black Forest cake became the cake at every celebrations.
Cannot believe it.
Okay, you remember this cake?
Of course. Basically, 30% of my childhood birthday parties.
So of course, Karak Inc is owned by my brother Marwan. They're creating this sort of community around street food that we grew up with, but kind of elevating it with really good ingredients. They kind of contribute to creating that soul that Dubai has that is very special. We tested so many things.
We still have the classics as well, you know, we still have the original cheese paratha, the chips Ahmad, the sando.
And then even the egg buns, right?
Oh, and mom's food is on here?
That's exactly what it is here, right?
Yeah.
It's just different parts of Dubai and then 2.0 version of everything.
Exactly.
One up, one up. I have a major sweet tooth and I just really enjoyed making or baking, and people would enjoy it. So creating recipes is always an ongoing process, and even before I was a pastry chef, I actually used to test all the recipes on my family and friends. And for today, what I wanted to try with them is a chocolate mousse, but I wanted to create my own version with some locally produced ingredients that would kind of make it a little bit my own. So there are a couple of things that I love the most about being a pastry chef. One of them is creating. So for the longest time, it was very important for me to just to learn every single basic foundation about pastry so that I'd be able to manipulate that into what I wanted my pastries to be. At some point, I did want to go to culinary school. It wasn't a very traditional route to take. It's been quite an experience. What I've learned throughout this entire journey is to never take any shortcuts. We make everything from scratch here. We use really great ingredients and we don't compromise day in and day out. People come here with their dreams and you just kind of have to make that dream come true. For me, that's so special that people would give you that responsibility. I feel so proud to do it as an Emirati. It's such an icon here. Ever since we were younger, my mom cooks Indian food at home. We've always had some sort of Indian influence with us. There's a large Indian community here in Dubai and they've brought their food here. There's so many amazing Indian restaurants. I think the UAE itself is very hospitable. It has a hospitable culture. And the amazing thing about that was that it allowed us to experience so many different cultures and so many different foods. And it really shows you that food is essentially what connects us all. Yoga is kind of my way of disconnecting from everything. Being in the kitchen is super hectic. It's super demanding. Everything is very fast-paced and instantaneous and deadlines and back and forth. And yoga is just one way for me to kind of disconnect from all of that and for just an hour or an hour and a half focus on recentering myself and meditating and making sure that my mind switches off so that we can recharge. It's important to understand what I create today is a culmination of everything that's happened to me, every single part of it, from cooking with my mom, to doing the coffee with my dad, to exploring the Indian street food, to the influences from people around me and the community around me in places like Karak Inc. It's really important to understand my background so that you can understand what my pastries are about or what my philosophy is about.